So apparently these just rip out. So we might just try to yank these out or get these out of the way, these little heat shields.
These things right here.
And then we'll have to figure out how we're gonna get these bolts here. The bolts under the car, not too worried about. We'll figure those out, but getting these header bolts off, it's gonna suck.
Look, your neighbor's standing at the door again.
Every time, bro. Every time. Oh, it smells.
Smells like tires.
Yeah.
Broke out the Kumos on the back.
Come on, type shit.
What's up, bro?
Hose come.
Vinny's 5 minutes in. Got the sap off.
Yeah, bro's not helping me. He's just recording.
You got O2 right there, too.
Yeah.
And you got a cover.
Yeah, we can just yank those off. That's what the guy said on YouTube.
That's what the guy said on YouTube.
You know, he said he just grabbed them with some fucking vice grips and just pulled them off.
It's weird though. It's almost like the nuts are pointed like diagonal. Mine are like straight sideways.
I don't know.
The guy might have been lying.
You might.
That shit's fucking in there, bro. Normally a heat shield's held in with bolts, like on the headers.
I hope everything's held in with bolts.
Well, you know what the fuck I mean.
I don't see any bolts there.
I can't get it. I can't see anything in there. What do you see?
Yeah, chat, what do you see? Let us know in the comments what you see down there.
If you can get the camera down.
You probably just see the header bolts.
I can't.
That's what's under that.
Yeah, that's all I see.
Find the hole.
Yeah, type shit. But I feel bolt. Yeah.
Master finger. Yeah, bro, I know you're just driving the car.
So I know you probably need a little like 8 mil, 10 mil type
Hey,
shit.
they're all 11 mil
But they're
bolts.
weird. Yeah, I was gonna say mine. What is that?
It's welded on the inside.
Okay.
That's exactly what I said.
You're like, oh hell no.
So that almost look like glue.
Yeah, that's right. That's the
bro,
first thing I
seal up
saw.
real good. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Mine has like a million exhaust leaks, so don't even worry.
Fire.
I hope this one doesn't.
Vinny was taking so long,
Come on, dude. Just spit on it, man.
bro.
Dude, your mom isn't even this tight. Fuck. Get on the fucking.
Come on, dude.
POD
angle.
This is a good POV right here.
What do you mean by that?
Ass crack.
Wait, your ass crack was out earlier.
Hey, it happens, you know? It does. I'm gonna be.
Vinny can't find the bolt.
What's on?
Oh my dude! What's up?
Bro got terrified, bro. Bro scared the shit out of him.
It's like when you fucking go to the movie theater and they just play like the start. Shit caught me lacking. Oh my god. Like butter, dude.
So 50 years later, we're almost done, I think.
Nope.
Yeah, we ended up just hooking up right here. Not sketchy at all. Shit's about to fucking fall.
We're good. It's not that bad. I think it'll be just fine.
All right, Vinny. Finally got it done. Finally got him out. Only took 20 minutes. Super easy. They unbolted. No problem.
No problem at all.
No problem at all.
No rust.
Yeah, no rust. Didn't even have to like lift the engine up at all or like off the mount or anything.
Yeah, engine mount's still in there.
Yep. So you can see minimal effort here, but
Minimal effort, my fucking effort.
they're out. It was
Started 8 hours ago.
it was a nightmare. It's been like 7 hours. It's awful.
Bang, bang, skeet, skeet. Alright guys, it's midnight.
Yeah.
Ready to
So
stop the shitbox.
45 minutes later, it's been like 12 hours, maybe longer. I don't even know at this point. Headers are in.
Longer.
The headers are in though.
You just can't see them.
Yeah, they're down there. Okay, yeah, we had to do some clearance right around here because there wasn't enough space, so we had to use a massaging technique on it to make some space. But we got him in. See, huge pain. Getting him in was a little bit easier than getting him out, that's for sure. But we still had to do kind of some fuck shit to get these to go in.
No alcohol was consumed.
But they are in. No tools were thrown. No alcohol was consumed.
We have power.
It's gonna be super loud.
Let's wait to Jesus real quick. Please let this car one install and lift one ever. You ready?
Yeah. That's so loud. Wow, that is atrocious. My wood. There's that boy Cam.
It's that fat cam, baby. We all let's swap the car.
Sounds good at idle, actually. That's kind of sick. What a nightmare. Alright, so we got the headers put on this thing, and it sounds like absolute dookie with the full exhaust. It definitely like needs a muffler. High RPM, it sounds kind of sick, but it's insanely loud. Way too fucking loud. I'm gonna try to get some clips of it. It sounds insane. I don't even know if the camera will pick that up. I don't have my mic with me, but it's so loud. Sounds like shit. Ew.
I'm in the lawns.
Ew. Oh.
I'm in the lawns.
Ew. Finally in the lawns.
That was loud.
Alright guys, let's take a look at this 2000 Tacoma.
2002 actually.
2002. We're gonna take underneath where the frame is welded together because it literally was gonna snap in half.
Never.
Look under there. Show them the weld.
Hey.
So as we see here, the Guibo is fucking destroyed. R.I.P. Guibo. It had a good life. Don't do a rollback burnout. Clutch dump Honda Civic and BMW. R.I.P. my Guibo.